Literally, my life is speeches every single night.
3, 2, 1.
Half
a day.
I'm Abby.
I'm Paul, Florida.
And today we will be showing you how to do
Two
new.
Barbecue.
Joining us today is our editor, Henrico Crisilo.
Casalo. Sorry.
Casalo. He is our #1 editor. Oh, okay, so please sit. Come on. We will be showing you how to make barbecue chicken and
Steamed potatoes.
Steamed potatoes with marinated
Marination.
of garlic salt,
Brown sugar. Other ingredients.
and everything else. Thank you for joining us. Hi, friends. Wait, say hi. Friends. Look at Uncle Honey. Okay, so today we will be using chicken, oranges, lemons, honey, and
Onions, garlic, sugar cane sugar, ground black pepper, soy sauce, and the secret ingredient.
It's a secret, you're not supposed to reveal it.
A little bit. We have to use a little bit.
Yeah.
Apple cider vinegar. So we have to put in the meat first. Just in there. So we're going to make the marination. We're going to try to measure it. So we got soy sauce, and we're gonna put 1 cup of soy sauce first. One-fourth cup of apple cider vinegar. Organic. Put a spoonful of brown sugar. And then we're going to add the garlic and the onions. Oh yeah.
some pepper.
I'm going to pour in the lemons, and Abby's going to pour in the oranges. There's so much juice. Okay, and then we're going to add organic honey, just a little bit.
Yum.
Add a little bit of pure sesame oil.
We're gonna marinate it now. Mom, how do we marinate this?
Oh my. We are going to add it on. And we are going to add the secret ingredient. Bleep it out.
Salmonella.
Okay, we're done marinating. As you can see, it's all good. Hello.
So today what is the type of cooking we're gonna do? Is it chan? And then we will be taking rocks, getting firewood, and creating a grill.
Traveling in a fried-out Kombi on a hippie trailhead full of zombies. I met a stranger.
We are cutting. Baby.
Yes.
We are cutting the potatoes into wedges, pieces, and yeah. We don't really need to skin them as long as we cut it or clean it thoroughly.
Where are we going?
Oh, we're gonna go get drinks first, and we're gonna get wood, firewood, right over here.
No, it's on private. I didn't follow her.
We're gonna start cooking. We got the grill set. Grill. And then we're gonna put our very first marinated chicken.
You guys, your food's running.
It's not even running. And this is the finale.
And we're done.
Yay!
Thank you. Welcome to Misty Guitars Class Project. Today we have to wait for Abby to get done with her game. Hello? Get off your phone.
Wait! There's only like 3 minutes left.
Peeling the onions and the garlic.
The knife.
Hello, bye-bye. Let's go. Go. Go to.
3 minutes and 28 seconds left. Just wait. Oh, they're shooting again. This is great.
I need to fix my skirt. What?
We're going on an adventure.
We're gonna find a place to camp because we are two young drag queen strippers. This is where we're gonna sleep, right over here, since it looks nice and comfortable. Here.
2 more big rocks and then okay, yeah. To make like what do we need the rocks for?
Hello, welcome to.
Wait, can you do that?
Finding the.
Oh my gosh, the onions are getting to my eyes.
I'm an independent woman. Oh, we should have let him try the marination. Never mind.
Too late.
How many hours is that?
You're talking way too close to the mic, and it's.
Oh.
And then, no, we should just slide it. We should just slide it to the next slide.
And we have our. What? There's like a bug in there.
Thank you for joining us today.
On our Tunu.
Please like and subscribe. Oh, you know the Brendan challenge?
Okay,
Thank you for
for joining us.
Thank you.